Hi everyone, my name's Simon and welcome back to Walking with Whitey. In this short episode, we're going to be messing around with this. This is a gas canister transfer valve. What I'll be using for this episode is the actual transfer valve itself, set of scales, and as you can see, I'm accumulating quite a lot of canisters, and each one of these has got a different amount of gas in. Right, so these canisters, as you can see there, 100 grams in weight. Now this one is fresh from Go Outdoors and it's showing 193 grams. So I take it the actual canister itself is 100 grams and there's 93 grams of gas in there. I might be wrong, but that's what I'm guessing from this. But that one's straight from the shop, so forget about that one. Now I've got this one warming up in some warm water, and I know this one isn't full. So there you go, this one's got 153 grams in it. Just stick it back in there. And this one, 181 grams, that one's still quite full. So let's put that one out of the way for now. And then we've got this one. So this one's 156 grams. Okay, so what we're going to do then for this experiment, we're going to transfer the gas out of this one into this one. Some of you might be thinking, why am I warming one of them up? Now I have done a little bit of homework on this, and it does say to warm the donor canister. So basically the canister you're emptying needs to be warmer than the canister it's going into. So we're going to take the gas out of this one and put it in this one. Right, full disclaimer at this point as well, I have all the windows open, so if anything were to go wrong I can just vacate this room, but there's plenty of ventilation and I'm doing it in a safe environment. Okay, I hope you can see the adapter here, but on it, it obviously has got a side for out and a side for in. So I'm going to connect these all up now and give it a go. But before I do, let's just double check that again. This is the one that I'm putting gas into. That's at 156 grams. So we're all set up, ready to go. Got the warm one on top and a cold one at the bottom. So let's just turn it on. Oh, I can hear hissing. I wonder if you can hear that. Let's just leave that for a bit. The hissing is actually starting to stop already. That's on as much as it will go. I can hear something still happening. It's been about 30 seconds now and I can't hear any more hissing or any more movement of gas, so let's turn it off and I'll take them apart and see where we're at weight wise. So this is the one that I've just filled up and it was at 156 grams. And look at that. That is absolutely brilliant. It's up to 192 grams, which is the same as the one that I've just bought from the shop. This is the donor canister. Again, this one was at 150 something grams. Brilliant. Look at that. I know this is a short episode, guys, but I don't think I need to do more than that. This little gadget here cost me $9.99 on Amazon, and it's so quick and you don't have to do it's not rocket science. You just match them up, turn it on, and it transfers the gas. And instead of me now taking 1.5 gas canisters out of me and waiting for one to finish before I go into the other one, I can just keep topping up and take one at a time, because one of these canisters seems to be more than enough for me for an overnighter. So I'm really happy with that. For less than a tenner, that's a brilliant little bit of kit, and I would highly recommend it. I know this is a short and sharp episode, everyone, but I believe it's a very educational one, actually. It's certainly opened my eyes, and now I have, instead of having one full one, one nearly full one, and then 2 half full ones, I've now got 3 full ones ready to go for the future. And this little gadget here will be stored in a safe place, because I will be using that again. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. And all that's left for me to say now is take care, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.